Oh, good morning, guys. Tumboona unonzi chanetsa chi inonzi chiko chanetsa the polygamist tichiri pa episode 1 season 1 episode 1 timboona 1 episode and then we wake up, you know what I mean. So yeah, I don't know, man, it's been trending lately and I feel like you guys, you're overrating it. Asandatanga kuiona zvangu changotanga. Let's see what's popping, you know what I mean. After we go and look for some food, it's still the morning. What time is it now? Don't know. But yeah, stay tuned on gang. Oh yo, I say man. So I didn't eat anything actually. I just, I drank the yogurt that I had. I left some yogurt yesterday. So yeah. And then I didn't eat anything. So now I'm heading to Mukuru in Kempton Park, of course. I want to see if I can collect some money there. And then after, I want to go to Niger the Baba. I think I might pass through. I'm the brand ambassador of Niger the Baba. And then after, I'm gonna show you everything, man. I don't know. While Akiri, you're gonna spend the day with me. So stay tuned and watch what's happening and everything. So let's go together. So yeah, guys, I'm not feeling safe to go around because I might see police around. I need to go back to see myself. Got some passport yangu. Hey man, why is this one traveling? It just why is he driving at slow speed? No hazards at all also cause problems. Anyways guys, let's go together and see what's popping, you know what I mean. Let's get it. I'm gonna show you when I'm there at Kempton Park. Yeah, let's go. So guys, I'm just done now. I collected the money. Let me show you. This is Mukuru there. This is how I was collecting the money. So now I'm passing through my work. Of course, it's Niger the Baba. I'm a brand ambassador, guys. Niger the Baba. Let's go and get my haircuts, my braids, my cards. I don't know my dreadlocks, my cards and stuff. So I'm just gonna pass through the barber, and then after that I will head back home. You know what I mean? Just passing through my web nyana. So you guys, for brand ambassador, they will hit me up. You know what I mean? We can make it happen. So I'm passing through. And don't phone it out that quick because I didn't even tell him that I'm coming. So yeah, after that I'll go back home. So stay tuned. So guys, the more to go and wrap up you. Yeah, to batu kende papa. Glen Marais. Yebo. To batu kende go. Glen Marais. Glen Marais. Yeah, something like that. So yeah, man. Let's go and see what's popping. Should I get a young retouch nyana or a young haircut nyana? I don't think so because my hair is still doing perfect. You know what I mean? So do pan passion abo pakanzo home of toys apo. You know what I mean? Yeah. So let's look for parking. So guys, ndakapaga pana twino acho. Kango na girlfriend on a random Tuesday. Random Tuesday na kuka siya kana girlfriend. It's fun, eh? Ines, let's go. Oh, it's cold. So guys, so guys, sorry neku disturb kona video guys. Don't forget this video is probably sponsored by Niger the Baba Maize. Kana muri kona video runorika bate ngoma Niger munowatsvaga munowanika kungoma.
Munowanika Kempton Park. My house is just 15 minutes away drive from here.
Chete guys, we pana pamurowe mai yakasi manyama. As you can see guys, ndruglo and rubaka zvese face everything. Munozotwitwa pana pa munyasosotwa musoro zvakanaka. Number ndodzipa screens. My account starts from as little as 100. Andika to 150 makatoya mutoti mabva wana praise zvakanaka munobatwa bhoma izve. So guys, make sure kuti maizotsvaka mukoma nejo number dzavo dziri pascreen vanorova maikati machi manyama. As you can see, the barber is clean, there's FIFA, there's everything. Makula ayo makakula pasasi tine car wash inosota mota dzenyu, and tine mashops ezelo vada kubva wangoenda out and everything munenge covered by this. So guys, thank you so much. Indeed, I say no gonna advert. Let's get back into the video.
Yes, sir.
So man, ndakubva pabasa pangu. I'm now going back home. We are done chilling. The love of my work, baba. Don't go into kubasa. Only a random day. Anyways, this is how I spend my day actually. If I'm not working with brands, I'm chilling at home. If I'm working with the brands, I'll pull up, visit the brands, shoot some content to turn around if you have a shop or something, and then discuss about business. Then life goes on. You know what I mean? So now I'm going back home. Abazada, you can imagine from Maxen, what are they selling inside there? From Maxen, I said anything, but yeah, stay tuned, man. Oh, so you guys, we are now in Boxburg. I had a pass through getting food in Boxburg. It was when I'm home taking such a calf. She didn't knock it out from under the quantity in Boxburg. So yeah, man. Hey, I want police. Let's hope I detail. Let's hope. I'm out to life here. I'm an vlog. Yeah, man. So I guess I was saying, Banish Cafe, I don't think I'm no Boxburg. And then I will go home. So yeah, Boxburg people. My roof is dead. The far as I don't the full house. I don't see you clean room. You clean roof. But anyways, I'll take a scarf and then we'll go at home. You know what I mean? So yeah, stay tuned. So yeah, man. This is where we are. My robots are up. If I go pin as a track, so yeah, we are following track. We are following track. I wanna show you but I wrote the free advert, man. Boss, mom's actually I told so in the YouTube. So the marketer getting born. So yeah, guys, here in Boxburg. Castle Road. This used to be my shop square. Area, guys. And I loved my flats. I could die. It's been South Africa. No, my flats are not going to by that time. It was so hard. I'm going to so wanna go up. I don't know parking it up. I doubt. But don't think I saw the up pay lab. Pay lab. So let's see if we can get parking. So guys, come on, park up. Damira scarf now, man. Right. Let's go. So guys, now we're going back home. Boxburg. This is the way to go to Boxburg East. So yeah, man, coming from Boxburg North, heading Boxburg East town. So let's go. Guys, tasvika paMuzanzi for sure. Zvaitaura kubwezva handichazivi kuti open view vanoti kuSABC hachazorapedza kuona dishirini. But yeah guys, tasvika pa10. Let me close the gates. It's closing as you can see. So yeah man, tasvika pa10. And yeah man, amenisadharira rinorasika because ndaona ngesupa ingashilika. So for now, let me park here by the shadow. Yeah. Super mwanga kurasika. Look, the whole paper bag is spoiled. But still though, we get some plates and then. What are we cooking today? I don't know. So yeah, stay tuned, man. Guys, ndine shiri yangu iraba pai. Ndrumbo ira chifita. Ndikurarira. Mazaya chunaraba pai. I don't know if you can see them. Yo shiri yacho ndiraba peyo. So ndiuzewo guys, ndo madyarini kana kutanga ndamira. Guys, ndoidye zvese kandobotanga tamira itange yararira vechitosvinga vana ndizodya za 3. Let me know guys, njiva iya nemazuva chichengeta chipasadza rangu irapapa ndotanga ndamira itange yatsotsonya mazai here kana ndotanga ndadya mai vacho kandodya nemazai acho, mazai for breakfast, iyo for supper or for lunch. What should I do guys? Oro ndotanga ndamira itange yatsotsonya vana ndozodya za 3. I don't know, but yeah, one day is one day. I'm gonna show you guys nechidya chiri. Let me know in the comment section. Because ndane mazuva chikoisera apapo itsitsidzei novyanzi pashona itsitsidzei bhinya kuperekedza mwana wemvana kuchikoro chokwadi ndiyo shoni yacho here. Aiwa bhinya kubvisa mwana enzivana madziwa mhino wareva tabva chikoro kwakudhara. But yeah man, we are back kunge musana tadzoka badeni mbamachina mune tsvina. We need to clean all this. Kwatokuma past 3 but mba musana matsvairwa musana masukwa. Look at the house. Let me show you the bedroom. Look. What's about Doritos? Whatever. I don't know what is there. So yes, it's disaster. But nonetheless, we can do it, man. We can. What does I say? I don't know. Yeah, chirungu. But anyways, I'll make sure you stay tuned on game. Let's get it. So guys, ndaisa this dish towel so that mafuta asasare pa table yangu. I always tell you guys that I don't mind eating sadza makuseni masikati manheru. Zohla wena tinohla. I love pap guys. Yo. I got an air fryer yangu guys. And the ones bigger braai meat guy. But I had this mom only bigger than better than me. I don't know the secret recipe. I think 6 Ghanaian. I also put 6 Ghanaian, but I'm going to look nice. New taste nice more than so. But still, guys, get paid the good job. Teaching about the polygamist and yet say, teach suka while preparing for supper. Yeah, that makes sense. Yeah. Man, my day is boring as you can see. But stay tuned. Indopenga boys. Ndazvimbirwa. If you don't kusvika maplace nekutsaramba. Ndabhizi kumbona nemovie live futi. Closed curtains. So you can see. Nigga darkness muno. Busy watching on the green Netflix. Again bosiredzera. Ndibona mfesa anetsa. Anetsa mfesa here. Ush. Ush. Shupa. Anyway, stay tuned, guys. You won't believe it in the past and that was kukotsira. Ndafunguvhara laptop ndine flat. I don't even know ndagumira papi. What's the time now? Let's check. 7:09. Go around times and 7:09. But I rang my 3. You know, just mupira riga ngira chone. Why is my screen is dead now? I need to wipe it though. I just ngopira riga. Yeah, 2 episode 3 nywana. Ndakacheka sadza. Topinda mgumbezi ndiona movie. It won't take 2 minutes. Nenda flat. Anyways guys, let's wake up and manje problem yakuti kadero dzaka ma 7 kachinda kazvimbirwa manje. Apa ndina fridge ne microwave. So now ndaction unotenga chi chekudya or ndobika chi. Because my shop steps ekumarengo anga ngatovharwa. I need to do my chores. After my chores nzari chandrova later. I don't know man, I need to bath as well. Did I bath yesterday? Yes, I guess I'm manero. Time. Yeah, I need to bath as well. And I don't like bathing. Anyways, let me do some shows. I thought I set up with the bed. Everything is just scattered, yo. Yeah, yes, son. No, you all see how boring my day is. This is how boring my day is. It's so boring. Yes, about washing yo. Tell me why. Why washing your Let me remove this. Guys, I only put this one kanda kurara only, so that rasa rangu reda se rakarara zvakanaka. So ari, what do you call it, ari panyanguke, you know what I mean, ari peteke sinabasa. Ndopana ndakarara prema pakarwa mitsoko ndomba mashono, everything is just scattered. The sink is full of nonsense. Look, matakaram kurasa some breku. So you guys, let me take care of everything which is happening here, you know what I mean, and but let me turn on the geyser first. Because ndakusuka. Oh, apa mbota chindakapaka uko. Haine zvangu zvinakurongeka. Ane uchirwa paka mota. Uko. Hainotombokiwa yakiwe. I don't think so. Fungo yakiwe. Aina? Yeah, zvinhu zvangu zvinakurongeka. Anyways guys, let's see kuti totangira papi. And yeah man. Tuone kuti zvinopera sei. Yeah, stay tuned. I'm gonna keep on giving you more updates. So yeah guys, man. This is the part that I hate the most. This one. This is the part that I hate the most. Kusuka. Haha. I hate kusuka in more ways, guys. But at least if the water is hot. If it's warm, I mean, it's better, man. But I really hate kusuka in more ways. Yo. For those who have been following me back there, I think there's a part in South Africa. But I see my place I'm singing for about like a week. And I think nobody was thinking about it. And I started my modes, it's dark green. But yeah, man, it's just me hating kusuka, you know what I mean? But let's try to do this as fast as we can, so that I think your time some go. So yeah, stay tuned. Let's do this. Guys, don't I say before kusuka, guys? Or don't advise me, just tell me what you yeah. Maybe that's it. You know what I'm going to take your own natural dishwasher. Yeah. Dishwasher, washing machine, the hoover, and the broom, and the personal chef as well. She don't know what's taking here. Can I roll it? She's only go up on. Anyways, guys, stay tuned. Let's get it. So I guess as you can see, the house is now clean, the bed and everything. It's clean. I just mopped. I don't know that is of Raduro really. I don't know. And then here, so you can see. Don't know if this bin. I'm gonna throw it out now. Yeah. The house is now clean as well. And yeah, just left with the bathroom, of which I'm gonna bath soon. So yeah, man. I'm done now. I need to get the bachelor. Oh, let me put this mat over here. So yeah, there's a food tour. I'm watching a movie there, The Cleaning Lady. So yeah, as you can see, man, everything's now okay. I'm just left with getting a TV, the TV stand here on. Then everything will be sorted. But as you can see, for now, so far so good. The results, they are the geyser, I don't know geyser. And yeah, the door is open for fresh air. More member. Yeah, that's it for today. Now we left looking for supper. Okay, let me use this door. I have 2 doors in my mouth. Now that's how to check out. So I can go. That's what I got 4 days. That's what's noticed. More about it. So now I'm going to go to the so yeah. So I guess stay tuned and now I'm going to check a supper and then I guess. So for now, let me turn off the geyser just in case I don't go talk. I'm sure the bread boiler. So then yeah, stay tuned, man. Oh, gang. Oh, I'm so tired in good honor. So yeah, and it will to check a scarf. Let's open a sort of a boss and no. Since I'm about 10 now. So let's look our door and go. Asambe. So yeah, guys, let's go. Where I'm going is near location. Like Kutor do the location for that. But nashakata nzara nenamo ndimashingise. Guys, you see panapa. Ndakambona pakafa munhu mumwe when I was going to KFC kwandikuende koko. Ndakatodarika pane ambulance. Munhu akatorara paside peroad akatofugidzwa matenda. I was like, dang, what the? Ameno ndakashutwa remunhu and then pa next pachina pamba nezisiprinda rangaramira paside pake. I think ndo mota yaidrive eyo. Oro takacollapse here. But nyaya yekuti akacollapse ina undira head up because kana akacollapse who called the ambulance? The person was just lying paside peroad up and then passing pauya ambulance, but ambulance ndakumtakura manje. Ndakazodzoka nawo KFC ka. Ndakadzoka yaenda pamira police. And then munhu achina anga akafwa muchitende cheblack. That's what convinced me now kuti munhu afwa. So yeah, man, it's not safe here in SA, man. Just be safe. Yeah, I'm going to KFC. Let's go. Guys, let's hope it's not closed because pending about your bicycle and that. Let's hope it's not closed. Let's hope it's not closed. Let's hope it's not closed. Because I have a bicycle. But it seems like there's still people inside though. Let's try it. Let's try it. What should I order now? What should I order? Okay, I think that one is not good. Sabona. Hello.
Hello.
How are you?
Isilungu babesu angisasikoni. Ngiyaphila kunjani?
Good. It's closed.
Order.
Oh, okay. Can I have it's what one strip dunk the box what for 82 rand? The one with dunk the wings, the burger, dunk the burger, something for 82 rand.
Anguza puti?
Can I please have the order with? It's called dunk. What? Let me read again. Just a minute.
4 dumplings.
No. Wait. It's called dunked strips oyster box. Dunked strips oyster box.
Tank or Starbucks.
Yes.
Your drink should be a cup or a body.
Make it a buddy.
Body.
Yeah, Fanta, buddy.
Alright.
Thank you.
Okay.
So I guess narato kangano, imagine 2 minutes zozozi 2 minutes narato kangano kuti order ndaverenga pa inonzi. Oh, I think. Hello. How's it? Good. Can I pay here or this side?
You pay here.
Oh, okay.
Tank or Star.
Yes.
Pay body cup.
Yeah. No, bad bottle.
Alright.
Yeah.
Fine, Janet.
Yeah, bo.
Man, you are going to Zulu.
I'm still learning Zulu. I'm
Still learning Zulu.
I'm from Zimbabwe. Plus 30, I'm going home. So no need.
So it's late was for you to learn Zulu.
It's too late, yeah? Yeah, well, 30 is soon. Check. 30 is soon, you see. So there's no need.
Only few days left.
Only few days.
Learning Zulu.
So there's no need. It's late to learn Zulu, you see. It's late now.
It's very late.
What do you think we're gonna go home?
I don't know.
You don't know, ne?
Yeah.
I'll see you on 30.
Bye.
And it's like, it's too late now to do the Zulu. Zunga staff is very friendly. I'm watching anything about my demon. You know, so get me what they are in the introduction of Peter say. So yeah, man, stay tuned. The food is here. Oh, pleasantness. And now it's only us going back home now. Let's go back home. So yeah, guys, this is all about Fanta. What's that now? Yeah, Fanta or which Fanta is this one? Unbox with me. Okay. This is the tissues. My mouth tissue. Oh. And then this is the dung bag. I don't know. Oh, this is the package. So now let's wash our hands and eat. The fries, they are cold. Oh, there's a piece of meat as well. So guys, stay tuned. Soon I'm gonna go back and I'll close the vlog. Let's get it. So guys, it's time to bath now. Guys, I forgot to buy shower cape. Some of you recommended me on the shower cape. Can I don't just I'm so wrong shower. So I think I'm gonna do that. Oh, look. What? Ow! I don't know if you can see, but ow. Yeah, I think you can see. Hot shower after a long day. So yeah, guys, let me finish taking a bath and then I'll get to you as soon as possible. You know what I mean? 12 hour vlog. So yeah, let's get it. I'm gonna buy the baby shower though, because she's gonna make guess half bodies. I'm so wrong, so I don't like it. And stay tuned. So I guess I almost forgot kupendra vlog rangu. So I guess vlog rapera. This was my day in my life. Ndasunga this bandana so that if rangu arisare shmagumbesi ndari fonyoke kana mukarara one side there. So and now I'm continuing with the polygamist. Hey, my screen is so dead. I need to wipe it off. But yeah, I'm continuing now with the series that I was watching, as you can see. And yeah, man, that was my day. Anyways, I bet guys, thank you for watching the video to the end. Please make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more and more content. If you've watched to the end, please write down in the comment section. Write down in the comment section. W Bachelor. Yeah, W Bachelor. Write down in the comment section W Bachelor if you've watched to the end. Thanks so much for love and support. No derangwe mwana runobowaga. Apana kanyanya. Please, vadama channel promotions debate. Property. Well, yeah, well. I think that's all. Let me know in the comment section. I'm not going to quit guys, because I'm running out of content ideas. But just write down in the comment section with W Bachelor if you've watched to the end. Thank you so much. I love you so much, guys. Getting Bonachi series. I feel like it's overrated. I don't know, but I feel like it's overrated. I'm not enjoying it yet. I may know I want to enjoy. But anyways, write down what the W Bachelor in the comment section. Let's get it.